How to fix Virtualbox block screen error. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Virtualbox block screen error on the Windows XP. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So this method applies on all of the operating system, not just on Windows XP. So in here I have an example which is the Nougat 32. So the first thing to do is to make sure that it is powered off. You can do so by right clicking on it and then powering it up. The next thing you need to do is to just right click on it again, then click on settings right here, and then this will open this window wherein you can see the basic, advanced, description, this description, and all of that. What you need to do is just click on display right here, and then from in there you can see this graphics controller. So just click on this none and make sure that it is set to VMS VGA. After that, click on OK. And then as you can see, the display has been changed. So what you need to do next is to just click on start right here, and that should be able to fix your issue. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Virtualbox block screen error on Windows XP. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!